In today's video, we are going to learn one of the important topic of Sanskrit grammar, that is samas. The word samas is made of two words, sama plus asa. It simply means in language we place two words together. So children, samas is combination of two or more meaningful words. In few cases, we do get a new meaningful word by the combination of two words. Samasik shabda or samastapadam means compound word. It is the word after joining two or more words. For example, Ram Bhaktaha. In this example, Ram and Bhaktaha is two different words. By combining them, we get the new word, that is Ram Bhaktaha, means devotee of Lord Rama. In Sandhi also, two words are joined, but it is mainly the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the next word that are joined. In compound, not only the words but their meanings are combined. Pad, constituent. Each word of the compound word is called pad, means constituent. The first word or constituent is called purvapad. The latter words or constituents are called uttarpad. Let's take first example again. Ram Bhaktaha. In this example, Ramaha is purvapad and Bhaktaha is uttarpad. Vigraha, dissolution. When the compound words are written separately, it is called vigraha, means dissolution. Let's see the example. Ram Bhaktaha, Ramasya Bhaktaha. In this example, Ram Bhakta is compound word and Ramasya Bhaktaha is its dissolution. Samas is mainly divided into four types based on which constituent is important. See the chart. First, Purvapad Pradhan, where the first constituent means Purvapad is important, Pradhan means important, and its type is Avyayibhav Samas. Uttarpad Pradhan, where the second or latter constituent is important. Its type is Tatpurush Samas. Third, Ubhaypad Pradhan, where both the constituents are important. Its type is Dvandva Samas. Anyapad Pradhan, instead of both the constituents of the compound word, some other constituents is important. The type of samas is Bahuvrihi. In today's video, we are going to learn Ubhaypad Pradhan Dvandva Samas, where both constituents are equally important. Types of Dvandva Samas. First, Iterator Dvandva Samas. Second, Samahar Dvandva Samas. Iterator Dvandva. Two or more different words come together in this type. The compound word is either dual or plural. The indeclinable cha is used after every word, which is mostly a noun, in the explanation of iterator dvandva. Let's learn with some examples. Chandra Suryo, Chandraha cha, Suryaha cha, iterator dvandva. Vrikshalata, Vrikshaha cha, Lataha cha. Rama Lakshmana, Ramah cha, Lakshmana cha. Deva Manushaha, Devaha cha, Manushaha cha. शुकसारिकाः शुकाः च सारिकाः च. These all are the example of iterator dvandva samas. Please note, while explaining iterator dvandva, all the words are written in the nominative case and each is followed by indeclinable cha. Second, the compound word is always either dual or plural depending upon the number of words joined. For example, Rama Lakshmano. Since there are two nouns, it is dual. Deva Manushaha. Since many gods and human beings are indicated, the compound is plural. Third, the gender of the last word is the gender of the compound word. For example, Sita Ramo. Since the last word is masculine, the compound word is masculine. Samahar Dvandva. In this compound, all the words in the compound are taken as a group. Therefore, it is called Samahar, which means a collection of aggregate. It is because of this, in Samahar Dvandva, the compound word is always singular and neuter. Samahar Dvandva is used for Jatvairatvam, born enemies, Sharir Avayavaha, limbs of body, Sukshma Jivaha, small insects, Nitya Sahacharyam, the things always found together. Let's see some examples. Mushak Marjaram, Mushakaha cha, Marjaraha cha, Etayoho Samaharaha. Hastapadam, Hastau cha, Padau cha, Etesham Samahar. Yuka Liksham, Yukaha cha, Liksha cha, Etasam Samahar. Haridra Kumkum, Haridra cha, Kumkum cha, Etayoho Samahar. Tilgudam, Tilaha cha, Gudaha cha, Etesham Samahar. Dugdak Sharkaram, Dugdam cha, Sharkara cha, Etayoho Samahar.